In this tutorial, you will see how to modify this beautiful infographic in Microsoft PowerPoint, and after that you will be able to download this template for free. So let's begin the topic. Here is the infographic. If you want to modify the text and the date, you can easily do that. Simply, if you want to modify it like 2016, you can easily do that. 2017, 2018, 2019 and 2020. So easily you can do this task. If you want to change the text from here, you can easily do this. Let me write your name here. You can easily do the task. Now let me watch the slideshow, and here you will see it has been changed. So hope you found this video helpful. If you want to download this template for free, just check the description and I will give the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.